Hey, what's up? So today I'm going to be starting Heavy Rain. This is a game I've been wanting to play for a while, and now I have the opportunity to do so for you guys. I love many of the games that Quantum Dream have made. I loved Detroit Become Human. Fantastic game. I loved the Beyond Two Souls game as well. So I'm so excited to get into this game. Um, let's go ahead and just jump into it. I don't know what to expect, but I believe that this will be another epic journey through this incredible game from Quantum Dream. So let's go ahead and get into it. The thing I love about Quantum Dream games is that it really takes you into the experience. Like you really just feel like you are in the experience of it. I don't know. Like it's just incredible. All right, what am I supposed to do here? Okay. Okay, I see now. Okay, so they were telling me to... Okay, sweet. Nice. Okay. Interesting. So you want a shower, huh?
I better take a shower and get dressed before I go downstairs.
Alright, your cute little family, your little wedding picture there. I see, I see. Alright, I see you. Alright, let's go. Can we do anything with this? No? Okay. Alright, let's see what we gotta do here. Ooh, what's this? A note?
Gone shopping. I'll pick the kids up from school at lunchtime, and then I'll come home to get things ready for Jason's birthday party. Don't work too hard. I love you.
Aww. Aww. Thanks, wifey. Alright. Do we have anything over here we can mess around with? Doesn't look like it. Alright, let's go head out this way and see where we're gonna go here. Why does this feel like a horror game? Like... Okay, so we got a bird. What's in here? P. That's the quality content we want right there. Oh man. Good job. Oh, you should probably I suppose you should probably flush the toilet. There you go. Good job, buddy. You did it. You peed. Oh, this is our room, so... Okay. What's in here? Okay, so this is the shower, it looks like. Dope. Turn your head to see which actions are available. There we go. Quality content, everyone. Quality content. That's the one. Okay, that is the one thing that I don't like about Quantum Dream games. I hate the shaking the controller feature. It drives me nuts. I don't know why. It just really, really annoys the snot out of me. So I guess he's still just walking around without clothes on. So we should probably get some clothes on him. Okay. Oh. Too fast, you should... Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Gotta go slow. Gotta go slow. Good job, buddy. Ah, yeah. One more time. There you go. Good job. Okay. Yep, there you go. Brush your teeth. Probably a good idea, I guess. More freaking shaking, because that's a thing, apparently. Yeah, I know. Shake. Shake. What? I'm shaking the controller. What do you want from me? Oh my gosh. It drives me nuts, man. Such a stupid feature. Like, if they would actually get rid of that, then these games would be so much better. Okay. Good. I think that's pretty good. Is there any, like... Are there any clothes that we can put on, or... Okay, probably in here. Boom. We did it. We did it. Alright. Alright. Let's go see what's in this room. This looks like our kids' room. Got some balls. Got some balls. Oh. Alright, this is good because will kind of get us used to, oh shoot. Okay. Okay, I see what we gotta do now. This will help get me used to, the mechanics of the game here. Good job, buddy. Okay. Yeah, we can just let them fall there. We don't need to juggle anymore. Okay, we'll put them back. Put the balls back. All right, so let's see what else have we got in here. That teepee reminds me of Parasite, the movie. Like the, don't know if you've seen the movie or not, but Parasite's pretty good. It's pretty good. It's not a terrible movie, you know. Okay, so let's go downstairs. Let's see what else we got going on here. Oh, was there a birthday party? This place really does remind me of Parasite for some reason, like all the glass and stuff too. Huh. Alright, so you got a little bit of food. Oh. Are those our kids? Either they're our kids or he's smiling creepily at kids that aren't his, and that's a little bit awkward. So happy birthday, Jason. Good job. You shook orange juice. Good job. Now that's how you drink orange juice. Okay. Alright, so let's see what we got here. Coffee. Coffee. I could do with some coffee right now. Let me tell you what. It's alright if it's hot. It's alright if it's hot. Alright. Alright, let's go over here. See what else we got going on. Let's explore the house a little bit. Try to get a little bit familiar with it. So, I think my character's name is Jason, right? So I'm pretty sure this is me. So there's the backyard. Okay, cool. Okay, so this is a very very modern looking house. Super modern. Okay, so what do you do for work here, buddy? Are you an artist? Wow, you drew a line. Good job. And another line. He's really good at drawing lines, let me tell you. Oh man, he's the best line drawer I've ever seen. I mean, I couldn't draw lines that straight on a piece of paper. Okay. What are you drawing here, buddy? Okay. What do you think he's drawing, guys? Oh! Okay, so he's drawing his own house, it looks like. Sort of. So this must be his little studio where he works. Is that what he does for, like, a living? Is he just like a... Oh, he looks like he's a blueprint drawer. Okay. So he must be like maybe like a designer or something. Something along those lines. So our house is not that big. So... Oh, wait. Is there something in that door there? Oh, that's not a door. Okay. Alright, let's go outside. See what else is going on outside. Hopefully these are our kids, or this might get weird. Okay. Alright. Let's see. Do you have any thoughts?
Nice day outside. Maybe I could squeeze in a little garden time? Not the greatest sketch I've ever drawn. Maybe I should try again.
Ooh. Try again, buddy. You got this. You got this. You can do it. Oof. No! Come on, buddy. You got this. Ah, you did it. Ah, you did it. Oh. Oh, shoot. Okay, so we gotta hold down all of them. Okay. We got this, guys. We got this. We can do it. Yes! Yes! Come on. You can't stop now. You can't stop now. You got this. Draw that picture. Come on. Come on, we got this. We can do this. Come on. Come on. Shake, 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 shake. Shake, 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 shake. You're not done yet, sir. Come on. Come on. Alright. What? Okay. What the heck? Am I supposed to be using left? Am I supposed to be using left here? Okay, come on. Wow. Alright, what's going on? Come on. Oh, okay, I see. Duh. Okay. So, I have to use the other one, okay. There we go. That makes more sense now, okay.
The plan's
Okay.
coming along nicely. Should be finished by Monday.
Good job, dude. You did it! Alright. Guys, we did it. Epic. Epic! Okay. So now he wants to go garden. That must be in the backyard here. Hey! Still creepily staring out the window.
Hey, take it easy. You're gonna knock me over. So this is your big day, huh?
Am I grown up now?
10 years
Why do
old.
animated kids always look so
You're getting
creepy?
there.
Now, can I drive your car?
And I think you're gonna have to wait a little while for that.
Ethan, can you please help me?
I'm coming.
Ooh la la. Oh my. Good job, dude.
They've been so excited since this morning. I could hardly keep them in line in the supermarket. How's your day been? Managed to get any work done?
So his name's Ethan. His
I made some
son's
pretty
name
good
is
progress.
Jason.
I've just got to work on a few more details, and then I should be ready to present the plans to the client.
Yay!
I've got a billion things to do. It'll never be ready before Jason's pals arrive.
Oh my.
Ethan.
I don't know if I've already told you this today, Mrs. Mars,
Oh my.
but I find you very attractive.
Yes. Oh my. Yes. Oh yes. Let's
Come on, go away. I've got work to do.
let's play
I
with the
think
kids.
I'll go outside and play with the kids.
Oh. I forgot I opened that already. Alright, let's go. No, outside. Hey,
That's
boys.
it. I'm free as a bird.
Hey, 5 minutes, boys, okay? After that, we've got to eat because your friends are going to be here
Okay, we promise, Mom.
Who wants to go first?
Me first. No, me first.
Easy, fellas. You can both have a turn.
Me first.
Since it's your birthday, you get to go
All right,
first.
Jason, let's do the helicopter.
Oh my gosh, I remember my dad doing this to me. That brings back memories, let me tell you. Woo!
It's my turn now. It's my turn.
Okay, Sean, get ready. Here we go.
Wee! Oh, you ran into the thing. Good job. Wee! You did it! You did it! Woo! Alright, get down.
Come on, Dad. Show us how strong you are. Big muscles.
Let me show you my big muscles. Alright. Aw, too much for you? Huh? Too much for you? Yay! Yay!
This time you're done for. You're gonna pay for all your crimes, evil one.
Ha! Surrender, weakling. Say your prayers.
Come on, Jason. Hoya!
Give up. I am victorious.
Watch out. Oh!
I'm not gonna let my son beat me.
Attack! Attack! Whoa! Pay for that. Come on. Oh, that's gonna make him back. Yeah, Jason. Continue. Yeah. Yeah. Go, Jason. Yeah. Hoya! No. My life. Let's go.
Food's ready, kids. You coming in?
Let's go eat. Let us eat some dinner. Yes.
Lunch is ready.
I'm.
I'll go get him.
Oh. Oh no. Where's Sean? Oh, this is where the bad stuff begins, isn't it? Uh-oh. Sean? Sean?
Why isn't Sean at the table? He should be around here somewhere.
He just like he literally just vanished. He literally just vanished. He was literally right there. Oh boy. Oh no. Sean? Sean, where are you? Oh, there you are.
Sean? What's up?
It's Merlin.
Oh no.
He's dead. She's dead and it's all
I have bigger questions than that, son.
It's not Sean.
How did you teleport up here so fast?
I'd give anything if you could come back to life.
Oof.
No, Sean. There's some things which just have to happen. Even if you don't want them to.
It's not fair, Dad. It's not fair.
Life isn't fair, son.
I know. I know.
Okay, let's go eat. Okay. Well, there we go. That was kind of the tutorial type of thing, I guess you could say. The opening, I'm assuming. Ah, creepy clown.
I'd like to have a quick look at some shoes for Sean. Can you watch Jason for a minute? I promise, we won't be long.
Sure, no problem. We're not going anywhere, are we, Jason?
Come on, honey.
He likes to just stand around and smile.
Jason!
Oh, keep up with your son.
Jason! 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 Jason.
Where you going, boy?
Jason.
Boy? Where you going?
Jason, you really shouldn't run her off like that, you know? There's an awful lot of people in here.
Please, Dad, can I have one? I would really love to have one. Please, Dad, come on.
Okay, let's go buy a balloon.
Great!
Yeah.
Hey, champ.
Ugh.
What's your name?
Jason,
Which balloon would you like, Jason?
the red one.
Here you go.
Oh no, not a red balloon. No. Oh no.
That'll be $2, sir.
Jason, wait for me. Wait for your dad, son. It's really crowded in here.
And he's not waiting. Alright. Hurry up, boy. Oh my goodness.
Keep the change.
It is impossible to try on a pair of shoes with this crowd. Where's Jason?
He was here a second ago. I bought him a balloon, and I turned around and he just disappeared.
Disappeared? What do you mean disappeared?
Stay here. I'll go get him.
Oh
right
no.
Jason! 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 Jason!
Alright. Well, let's think about where he would go, I guess.
Jason!
Whew, there's a lot of people. Oh my gosh.
Jason!
There's the balloon.
Jason! Jason!
Your son's right there.
Jason!
He's right behind you, dude. What the heck? Is this like a after image of him?
Shit!
Dad!
No, no, what are you doing? Oh man. This is gonna be a really depressing game, isn't it? I just, I have that feeling it's gonna be a sad, sad game, let me tell ya. Yeah, this is gonna be depressing. I'm already depressed. Oh, so Ethan did live then, but it looks like he's not doing very well. Looks like he's not doing very well.
Hi, Sean.
Hi, Dad.
Is it just me, or is this kind of an a-hole way to treat him? Just because of, I mean, like, obviously his child died, but I mean, it wasn't totally his fault. I don't know. Like, maybe that's just me. I don't know. Like, if he's seriously just being, if he's being shunned for this. Okay, so I'm supposed to talk to him, I guess. Oh. Oh, okay. So I must be taking him. I think I probably got divorced, didn't I? Yeah, I don't see a ring on that finger anymore. Man. Origami killer strikes again. 7th victim identified. The police have confirmed that the modus operandi is indeed... Oh boy. Oh boy. So we got a killer on the loose. Oh boy. That can't be good.
When the parents came home from church, all their children were gone. They searched and called for them. They cried and begged, but it was all to no avail. The children have never been seen again.
What? Are you just cool with that? Like, are you not going to, like, I don't know, like, say something?
You've got a cold coming on. I'm gonna see if I can find some medicine for you.
Alright, what time is it here? Oof! Yeah, you gotta get your schoolwork in. Come on. Homework.
Sean, do you want to do your homework now?
Please, Dad, let me watch TV a little while longer. We'll do
No!
it later, okay?
No. Now.
I think we should just get right to it. Then it's done and out of the way.
That's right.
Get your bag and get set up in the kitchen. I'll help you.
You do that. I'll see if I can find you some medicine. Alright, this bathroom literally has nothing in it. Apparently. So, that's cool. Whew, it's getting dark real fast here. Medicine. Where do you keep your medicine? Damn, it's getting dark. Alright, let's try to help him with his homework. Where your medicine at, though, boy?
Dad, I'm finished. Can I go watch TV?
7 o'clock dinner.
Let me have a look. Pretty good. Looks like you're done. Off you go.
I think there's some medicine in the bathroom cabinet.
What? I didn't see a frickin' cabinet. What are you talking about, dude? There's nothing in your bathroom. Is it one that's upstairs, maybe? Oh, let's turn that light on. It's getting dark in here. Okay, let's go upstairs. Alright, let's go upstairs. See what we can find. Something's gonna happen to the sun while I'm upstairs. I got that feeling, man. Something bad's gonna happen here. Alright, it's bedtime. It's bedtime. You aren't gonna talk. It's time for you to go to bed, boy.
Come on, Sean. It's time for bed.
I'm not tired yet. Can I stay up a little longer?
Now, that's not very reasonable, is it? You have school tomorrow. You have to get some sleep.
All right, I'm going. Are you coming with me?
Go brush your teeth and put on your pajamas. I'll come up.
He teleports. Okay. So, let's turn off the TV. We don't need that on anymore. Oh, he's got his teepee in here. Oh, yikes. Ouch. Ouch. Alright, get back in. Get in bed, boy. Get in bed. Alright. Sleep, child. Sleep.
Good night, Sean.
My teddy! I haven't got my teddy, Dad!
You must have left it somewhere in the house. Do you have any idea where it could be?
No, Dad. Please, I can't sleep without him.
All right, I'll have a look around and see if I can find it, okay?
I will find your teddy. If that means that much to you, boy. I will find him. I will find him for you, Sean. Where's your teddy, boy? Where's your teddy? Oh. Duh. Okay. Why would he leave it right there? Okay. Oh my gosh, that's him yawning. Jeez, that freaked me out. It's like, what is that sound? What the hell? It's just him yawning. Okay, we're good. We're good. There you go, boy. Alright. So he's asleep. I think I was supposed to be a lot more quiet when I did that. Sorry. Oh. Uh-oh. What? What the heck is going on? Origami? Wait, is he the killer? Is he the killer? Wow, those graphics though. Alright. I think I'm going to stop there for right now. We finished kind of the first section of the story. Yeah, this game is, I think this game is going to be really, really epic, really good. I'll definitely try to post a video on this, hopefully every day. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the first part of Heavy Rain. I'm excited to continue to play this game. So with that being said, if you're new around here, consider subscribing, and I'll talk to you all very soon in another video. Talk to you later. Bye.